Okay, I am Reverend Titus Baraka. I am a priest in the Anglican Church of Uganda. I am married to only one wife. And I have 5 biological children and 2 adopted children. I am the missions and evangelism coordinator for the whole of my denomination. Our denomination is the 2nd largest in the country. We have the membership of 13.5 million throughout our country. So my role as a missions coordinator, I do evangelism, and also I have the responsibility of nurturing the new believers, and that means discipleship. ASDM, it came at the right time when in our denomination, my department was in the verge of planning a strategic plan for the next 10 years. And one of it is that we are planning to raise the membership of our church, the membership by 25%. We want to increase. But then one of the big challenges we are having is nominalism. We have a big population, but the quality of their faith is so shallow. Many of them call themselves Christians, but many of them are not even born again. So this time we have, in our strategic plan, we are aiming at, by the 10 years, we need to have 60% of all our membership able to confess that Jesus is Lord. We are born again, I am saved, and I know the Lord. I have a personal relationship with Jesus Christ. And with that, the third point to that, we want also to sensitize all the pastors to get the discipleship spirit, to be able to know that in order to raise the 60%, we need to get the discipleship sort of strategy as the tool that can be able to raise the number of mature Christians. That I've just been discussing with Tom, how I am going to begin. What I'm going to begin is, first I want to begin by myself. I want to begin as I grow in my discipleship life. I want to start a group of 10 people in my local personal life, to begin with the 10 leaders in my local church. Although I am heading the national office, I need to begin my own, where I am accountable to some people, some others are accountable to me, so that when I begin training the national leaders, I have an example to give. I have a testimony to share. Basically, I really need to have a group that I personally am growing up. We mentor each other, I mentor them, they mentor me, so that when we begin the main training, I am aiming at bringing the 35 mission coordinators from throughout the country and begin with those, and first of all sensitize them to catch up the vision. And then we will get 2 dioceses where it will be a sample diocese where we put this strategic plan, this strategic discipleship plan into practice. And then these 2 dioceses, after they take off, then I will groom up some good leaders who will help me to go to train others in other dioceses, because it's a large 13.5. It's going to be a large work. So I can't make it alone. I need to raise up some leaders who we can be able to work together.